In a field where innovation saves lives, Stratasys 3D printing solutions empower doctors, researchers, and medical device manufacturers to get products into clinical use faster, develop better therapies, and personalize care like never before. By accelerating the pace of innovation and enabling new insights, our 3D printing solutions improve patient care while simultaneously driving profitability at every step in the healthcare delivery value chain. We improve medical innovation and time to market with advanced rapid prototyping. Engineers can create more revisions in less time and quickly advance new designs. We help designers to improve medical devices by enabling realistic, clinically relevant testing on models created from actual patient medical scans. Faster, more reliable test results mean better feedback to create the right device. Whether the goal is clinical trial evaluation, initial product commercialization, manufacturing low-volume, high-value parts, or products personalized for the patient, Stratasys Solutions makes production more agile and responsive, without the need for expensive secondary tooling. Stratasys Solutions provides sales teams with dynamic demonstration models, helping communicate to physicians key therapeutic advantages for new innovations, showcasing new medical approaches and products. We elevate staff preparedness and training by making realistic simulators that accurately represent a range of clinical scenarios that create a virtual grand rounds. We help doctors optimize therapy, improve clinical outcomes, and save time in the operating room by pre-planning surgeries with 3D printed models created from their patients' own imaging studies. With Stratasys 3D printing technology, doctors can improve the fit, form, function, and affordability of orthotics and bionics. We develop the technology and solutions used by healthcare professionals each day to help improve medical care, increase the affordability of products and procedures, and extend the quality of life for everyone around the world. Stratasys, the 3D printing solutions company.